left you making the door where you get your snacks on the side of the vending machine.
And this is part 2, Tom.
And this is part 2.
So, to show them where the door is.
So the door is right here. You see this hole? Dad's gonna tape it up to make it a door.
Okay. And we just tape it right here.
See how he's taping it?
Okay, there you go. And now
you put. I got 4 popcorn bags.
And this is how we're gonna do it. Check it out. Watch this. I'm gonna take this.
Yeah.
This. I'm gonna do 1, 2. Okay. Watch what we're gonna do. Watch.
Yeah. See how we're gonna do it?
Yep. So what we're gonna do?
Yeah.
We're gonna take the snacks on there.
Yeah. Except for these.
Yeah, we're gonna tape those too, honey.
But how are we gonna scratch the snacks?
Watch.
Seriously, how are we gonna do it?
And when you go reach your hand in there, you can take it and just take one off. This way, they can.
Oh, forgot. See it?
So tell them what Daddy's doing. Tell them that Daddy's taping
Dad's taping it.
so that it doesn't fall off.
So that way they don't fall off.
And then,
Like,
and then that way you can just hold it up and then close it.
close it, and how you do it is you see all the popcorn bags in there,
And you just hold it like this.
like this,
Voila.
and then put it back down. And how you go grab it?
Now you show them. Okay,
How you
now
go grab it is grab it in here.
Use your other hand. Use your other
Use
hand.
this hand to grab one. There, it's taped to there. That's how my dad made it. So that's how you do it.
Then that's it. So thank you, everyone.
So thank you everybody for watching. See you later. Bye.
Come on.